Excellent. Very good. You're a clever little girl. Now tighten it. Lucy, use the spanner. That's a great... Brilliant, well done. Excellent. Anybody could fix this washing machine. It's so easy. What's that, Lucy? That's a 10mm nut. Excellent. She's actually on the nut. Brilliant. It's a clever girl. You know what? That's nearly fixed. Okay, so look, all that happens is we put the immersion in all the way. Put the heater in all the way, look. Slide it in. There we go, it's in all the way. Come on, Lucy, you tighten it. Lucy. Good girl. She's doing it. Good girl. If that was a ratchet spanner, you'd be tightening this. Now look, will I do it? Do you want to do a bit more, Lucy? Okay, so we just push the immersion in, make sure it's in. Angle it down, if anything. Make sure it's not angled up, it'll hit the drum. And we just tighten this, look.
You did it!
You did it. You fixed the washing machine. Excellent. Excellent. The washing machine is going to work now.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Yep.
Be careful.
Okay, so we have to tighten that nice and tight.
You did it.
Okay, and that's it. Lucy,
Look, Grandad has another job.
there's the artwork.
Another job for Lucy.
Live. Live. Thermostat. That's it. One immersion fixed in a candy wash machine. There we go. One successful fix. Okay, at this point, make sure you take the plug out of the wall, disconnect it from the electricity before proceeding to put it back on.
Teddy bear. Baby, remember the chocolate cake.
A chocolate cake. That's a lovely chocolate cake. Lucy.
Look, it's working.
High five. We fixed the washing machine. High five. Yay! No. We fixed the washing machine. Good girl.